guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry about the delay on the 30 subscriber special. I'm still working on it. But in this video we're playing Build a Boat for treasure. And honestly, I woke up like at 9. I don't know what I'm doing with my life, but yep. I'm just eating right now because I'm starving and I didn't have breakfast. Let me take this bite and then we can get into the video. All right. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a plane. So first you want to get on white team. Let me bring up my, wait, no, I shouldn't. Whatever. So first you want to grab cement and you want to go up 3. Well, technically your block of choice. Then you want to go grab some wooden pillars. Hit T. Turn it like that and go 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, you want to hit T again. T until it's like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out. Then go over here. Do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what you want to do is go down here. That's optional if you want to do that. I did that. And then after that, you want to T, and then you want to place it like that so it's double. Then you want to grab a thruster. Make sure the round part is facing over here. Then you want to delete that black. And then do the same thing over here. You can paint this stuff. I don't care. I'm not being rude and all. And then after you're over here, you want to buy the car pack. And you want to grab, I don't know what you call this, but you want to make it look like that, okay? Give you guys a minute to catch up. Alright, so after you do that, you want to place your chair up here. Bloom shortly right there. Thing there. And then over here you want to do balloon, 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 balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then one in front. And then over here you want to go 1 out, 1 out. And then back here you want to go 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh yeah, and then 1 all the way up at the front. And then I believe that is it. Oh, and full credit of the boat goes to Zenak. I can't pronounce it, but this is a video that he made.
All right. It's pretty dope. You place 2 at the end on each side and then 6 on top.
I did not do that, but you guys can.
All the way on the front. 1 right
See?
here, 1 right here, and then 2 behind. And then you put yours
There?
And you place a seat right here. 1 left.
That's how you make it, guys. That's the original build, and then I'm showing all of you guys this build. And then after you do that, if you want, you can place a thruster here. And then after that, you can hit save. Yes. Then you want to hit save. Then what you want to do is you want to go down here, delete those blocks, hit launch. I'll show you guys the proper way. So you want to wait until you're super close to the rocks. I don't mean like super. I mean just like close to the rocks. And right about 3, 2, 1. Now, alright, don't do what I just did. Load your boat again. I'm just gonna wait here. Never mind, the chair broke. If you do it properly, you can make it all the way to the end. Load, yes, load. Yes!
I am gonna go put on my swimsuit and lay out in the backyard, okay?
Alright. Alright, you want to delete the blocks. You want to hit launch. Alright, those people have a car. Is anyone in the car? No one's in the car. So you make a car and you make no one in the car. Three, 2, 1. Nope. But you can jump on here, guys. Look at it. Oh my gosh. You can make it here. Oh, we could have been all the way up there. But if you jump out, you can make it here. The owner of the game is probably going to block this glitch. She's probably going to put invisible blocks, but that's okay. That's the same speed as in my running speed. So we can pretty much go. If we had like the glitch. Oh, and some will catch up because some of the activities. I never knew it took this long. I wish I had that glitch where all you had to do is click and then it would teleport you there. There's your car! Billy! I swear, get down! No, you don't. Not today. I'm not dealing with that. I need to grab my guys. Well, this is the area where we get stuck at. Alright guys, I'm going to end it right here. And I'll be working on the 30 subscribers special. Oh my gosh. So thank you all for watching. Hope you all did enjoy the video. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.